I think it would be wisest for him to leave Hong Kong because we do have bilateral agreements with the US and we are duty bound to comply with these agreements. Hong Kong is not a legal vacuum, as Mr. Snowden might have thought. There are certain provisions in these agreements in which the sovereign power have a locus, but I'm not sure whether they apply to such cases because after all, at the present stage, it is not clear what sort of offenses Mr. Snowden could have committed in the US and whether they come within the purview of our bilateral agreements.
Coming to Hong Kong is probably a good decision because not only do we have protections under our extradition law through the court system and the political offense exception, but we also have strong protections for people making asylum claims. And he's come really at probably the best moment in time because our asylum laws are in a state of limbo. It's a bit of a black hole after a decision from our Court of Final Appeal in March, which basically held that the government has to independently determine someone's refugee claim. I don't think China is going to be involved in any decision concerning Mr. Snowden. I think that this is a matter that China will leave to Hong Kong's autonomy. We saw from that court case in March that China was not involved at all in this litigation concerning refugee rights. So likewise, I don't see why they would want to be involved in this case. It doesn't strike me at this point in time as something that hits at the Chinese interests directly, and so it's probably a matter where it would leave to the Hong Kong authorities, to the courts and the executive.